Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this long shadow effect in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first I'm closing this page, then here I open a new one and go into the apps and searching for this type extrude. Just typing the text, what we like to use, changing the font to any which is inside the app. Try to find, okay, this hard disk looks good. Then we can change the text color, also the shadow color. Like this. We can change the angle also. Also can create this border, line height, but now with only one line is not that important. And also we can change the length of the shadow, add to design. And now we have this text with a long shadow effect. So this video is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.